In this video, I will show you how to detect if Chatgpt wrote an essay. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the tool we're going to be using to do this is a tool called GPT-0. So the website address for this is gpt0.me. And what this does, basically what you would do is paste your article into here, and this will tell you the probability of whether this has been generated by an AI. So you can see it covers a lot of things like ChatGPT, Bard, and other AI models. So I've actually gone ahead on ChatGPT and I've just created an article about tigers. So you can see here, tigers have long been revered as the epitome of power, grace and beauty. So it's quite a long article. To use this, it's actually really easy. And what you want to do is just basically copy your article. So I'm just going to copy part of this, half this article here. And then what you want to do is come back to GPT-0, and in the box here, you just want to go ahead and paste that into here. You can also upload a file from your computer, so if you've had an article sent across, you can choose a file, click in this button and upload that. Next, go ahead and click the box down here to agree to the terms of service, and then what you want to do is click the purple get results button down here. And you'll see in a matter of seconds, it's going to give you a probability of whether your text has been generated by AI. So you can see here, it says your text is likely to be written entirely by AI. So in other words, it's going to tell you if it's been written entirely by AI or some of it's been done by a human and some's been done by an AI. You're basically going to get a result here. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.